All right, it is time to talk about our weekly writing focus. This is for April 20th. So in Schoology, you will find this chart in the week 5 and 6 weekly writing focus. It's called Ways to Bring Stories to Life. So this is a really important one for writers because this is what's going to make your story interesting and exciting to read. One way you bring your story to life is you unfreeze your people. So think about your characters in your story, and they need to be moving and doing things. They need to be talking. So think about what's your character doing and what's your character saying and add that to your story. The next important thing to do is tell small steps. So when something is happening, we want to make sure we're telling each small thing as it's happening, so that the reader can follow it and they know exactly what's happening. And the last one, this is also really important, bring out the inside. So you need to make your people feel and make your people think. And this is a little trickier because you have to tell us what the character is thinking and feeling. They're not going to say that. That's happening in their head. So in your picture, you can always do those little thought bubbles, or you can write in the words that your character felt this way or thought something. So I have a few examples I'm going to show you, and these are from books that students wrote, but it's just one page out of the book. It's not the whole story, but we're just going to kind of take a look at one part of it. So this one is about a girl who loses her cat. So there was a little bit before this, there will be a little bit after this. This is right in the middle. It says, then Gigi loses her cat. She screamed, "Cat, come back!" Her cat did not come back. So on this page, we know that Gigi loses her cat and then she screams, "Cat, come back!" And you can see she did something cool with her letters. She made them really dark. And that made me feel like she was really, really yelling that. And she also said that she screamed it. So we are hearing what she's saying. And then they tell us what happened next. Her cat did not come back. So they kind of told us some small steps, that she loses her cat and then she screams for her cat to come back and the cat does not come back. Now, I know that's not the end of the story yet, so there's going to be more. But on this page, we see that this story really did get brought to life. And you can see the speech bubble. Looks like she's saying, "Come." She's trying to tell the cat to come. Okay, and this other one is about, we read a story about a girl getting lost in the aquarium on a school field trip, and this is actually a lot like that story. It says, the man took Mary all over the aquarium. Then Mary saw her class. Mary said, "That's my class." Mary's teacher said, "Where were you?" Mary said, "I was lost." Mary thought, "I should pay attention to my class next time." So the good things that I'm seeing on this one, that Mary is talking and her teacher is talking. They're talking to each other. And then we also see at the end, Mary thought, "I should pay attention to my class." So that's something she was thinking, but they added that to the story, and now it sounds really good. You can see right here, this is what she's saying, "That's my class." And this is what she's thinking, "I should pay attention to my class next time." So that's a really good way to bring your story to life, a good example of that too. So this week, when you're spending a few minutes writing, try to bring your characters to life. It will make your stories a lot more interesting to read. All right, good luck. I can't wait to hear what you have been writing. Bye, guys.